Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations or algorithm. It's all about understanding. Good morning all of you. I am Khushpreet Kaur from Sardar, Chetan, Singh, SVM, Mansa, representing Baal Varg's paper reading competition of mathematics on the topic of uses of arithmetic in our daily life. So, firstly I would tell you that what is arithmetic? Arithmetic is one of the branches of mathematics which deals with different types of numbers like odd numbers, even numbers, whole numbers, etc. involving their basic operations that are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We will try to understand it with an example of board mass. Here we have bracket of division and firstly we will solve it and gives the solution of 5. The expression now we have 15 into 3 plus 5 minus 10. Then we have to solve this multiplication and its answer will be 45 plus 5 minus 10. Then we have to add both these numbers and gives the solution of 50. 50 minus 10 is equals to 40 as our answer and also shown in the chart. Next question. When and where we can use arithmetic? We use arithmetic in our daily life every time. So we can see that here clock. Let's suppose a person comes to school at 7 a.m. and returns to home at 2 p.m. Then how much time he or she is spending in school? Its answer will be obviously 7 and we are totally unable to solve it without the help of arithmetic. Next topic we have is in mail. Mail. What about not being able to tell the friend location of your house, but mathematics makes it possible through satellite tracking. We can find the location of any of the house. Next we can talk about healthcare. As we all know that medical terms too uses mathematics to solve their common things that are blood pressure, pulse rate, etc. I have some medical instruments, that is first aid kit, this thermometer, which we use while medical fields too. Next I have here money. As we all know that we can't complete our daily needs without money, and money is to the basic need of our life, and without any of the understanding of arithmetic we are totally unable to use money. Next I have these chapters with which we can understand about arithmetic much better. First among these chapters we have is trigonometry. What is trigonometry? As I show in this chart, we have this building and we have to find its base and height. With the help of trigonometry, we can find it very easily. Next we have measurements. Measurements is what? Measuring of time, measuring of distance, measuring of capacity, etc. are all counted in measurements. I have some measurements that are these measurement beakers which are used to measure milk, etc. I have I have this inchy tape with which we can measure the distance, etc. Next I have problem solving. It is a very common thing in all of us. We always have some problems regarding money, food, study, etc. We can solve them with the help of arithmetic too. Next I have fractions. What is fraction? Partition of anything is called fraction. Let's suppose I have this stick of 8 cm and I cut it into two parts of 4 cm. Then I cut it into 1/3. These all are counted in fractions. Next I have symmetry. What is symmetry? Let's suppose I have this stick and I cut it horizontally or vertically into equal parts. It is called symmetry. Next we can talk about geometry. It is a very common thing in all of us that what is geometry? It's a very important question too. Let's suppose I have this cuboid and I am able to identify that it is a cuboid. It means geometry is what? Identification of any of the shape is called geometry. I have this cylinder, I have this sphere, I have this cone, I have this cube, etc. In short, mathematics teaches us that there is every reason behind problem to solve it. Thank you.